Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azula Madina binti Muhammad Ridwan. I'm a student from UiTM Shah Alam. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to attend this Q&A interview for the electronic engineering position at the Dronic Technologies. So for the first question, my answer is during my undergraduate program, I was involved in several engineering related projects and practical activities, especially in electronics and system development, which is my major. One of the projects I worked on was involved using microcontrollers and sensor for monitoring system. My role also included circuit connection, component testing, troubleshooting, and making sure the system could function properly. I also has learned how to read schematic diagrams and connect the hardware components correctly. Besides this technical work, I was involved in documentation and teamwork during my industrial training at Merdeka 118. I also helped manage cable taking, item checking, and documentation. This experience improved my communication skill and taught me the importance of accuracy and teamwork in engineering projects. Through this experience, I also gained a lot of hands-on exposure to electronics problem and the electronic system and problem solving and working under the real project environment. So for the next question, if I were in the situation, the first thing I would do is stay calm and focus on the project priorities. I would review the remaining tasks, remaining projects, and identify which part are more urgent and which can be handled by other team members. I believe that the most important is communication in here. So I will immediately inform the team leader and discuss how we can redistribute the workload efficiently. If possible, I will step in to handle some of my colleagues' responsibility, especially a task that I'm familiar with. I'm also someone who can adapt quickly and work independently when needed, because during my busy situation in my part-time banquet job and industrial training, I learned how to stay organized and continue performing under the pressure. My main focus will be making sure the project stay on the track while still supporting my teammate professionally. So for the next question, for the third question, my answer would be for the first 3 months, my main goal would be learn as much as possible and adapt quickly to the company environment. For me, in the first month, I will focus on understanding the company's workflow, safety procedure, equipment, and ongoing projects. I would also observe all my senior engineers and improve my technical knowledge through hands-on learning. In the second month, I would try to become more independent in handling assigned tasks, especially in troubleshooting, documentation, and field-related work. I will also improve my communication with team members and clients. Last, for the last month, which is third month, I hope to contribute more confidently to projects and become more reliable team member. I want to continuously improve my technical and problem solving skill while contributing positively to the company. Last but not least, for the last question, for the fourth question, my answer would be one significant contribution I made was during my industrial training at Merdeka 118. I was responsible for helping with the cable tagging, checking item, and managing documentation for the project team member. I made sure that the documentation and tagging were organized and updated properly, which is very helpful to reduce confusion and made it easier for the team to identify cables and equipment quickly. Because of that, the workflow become more smoother and tasks could be complete more efficiently within the timeline. That experience taught me that even small responsibilities are important in ensuring a project runs successfully. It also improved my attention to detail, teamwork, and sense of responsibility in a professional working environment. Again, thank you once again for this opportunity. I hope, and I'm very interested in joining the technologies because I want to grow my skills, gain more field experience, and contribute more positively to the company and teamwork. That's all for me. Thank you.